Right now, when we first load the page, it focuses on the last item in our thing list. Let's look at thing. So as soon as the component mounts, it focuses it. And then the next one mounts and it focuses that one. And the next one mounts and it focuses that one. We only want to focus it if it's a blank, right? If we're adding a new one. So let's make this a little more specific. What? Are you guys screwing around with my database? Are those jerks screwing around with my database? What happened to my database? That's what you get for making things public. Oh, shucks. I committed that. I didn't mean to commit that with my darn API key up there. Now you guys can wreak havoc. This won't do. So hey, guys, if you ever commit something and you don't mean to commit it, what can you do about that? Important life lesson. Git reset all caps head ~1. That moves me back one commit. Really? Blur the editable field. Okay, yeah, I have base.js, package.json, app.js, yarn.lock. So package.json and yarn.lock because I added rebase. Base because that's where my configuration is, which I didn't mean to commit. And app.js because that's where the magic happens. So here's what I'd like to do differently. Limited to this very specific context. If I had it all to do over again, I'd do a few things differently. Like my first marriage. Anyway, which just wouldn't have happened. So, oh, thank you for adding something back, kind citizen. So how about we put in our gitignore file, remember that? Base.js. Now, it would still be nice if people had some idea of what goes in that file. So what I'm going to do instead, I'm going to copy base.js. Copy. Paste. And I'm going to name it base.example.js so we don't leave people high and dry. And just take all the specifics out. Now let's look at what's staged to be committed. I see base example.js. I do not see base.js. That's what I meant to do. So sync with Firebase real-time database. Yay. Now, because I also pushed to GitHub as soon as I did that, you guys really punished me. So now I can't just push. I have to force push. Don't force push unless you really want to. That is destructive. That will actually get rid of stuff that someone might need. In this case, it gets rid of something that we really don't want other people to have. So we're going to do that. So I say git, if I just said git push, rejected. Git push -f. There we go. Now it's like it never happened, except that somebody already pulled it down.